Is the banking crisis getting worse? One of the largest banks in the world, Deutsche Bank, holds 3 times more money than Credit Suisse. That is about $1.6 trillion. Deutsche Bank is listed as a globally systemically important financial institution. Is the banking crisis going away or not? It certainly does not seem to be getting much better after all the rescue effort by central banks. Deutsche Bank has a long history spanning more than a century. It is a German bank with offices throughout the world with tens of thousands of employees and billions of dollars in income. If this bank were to go under, it would send a tsunami of financial destruction globally. For too long, interest rates were too low, and in some instances, lower than lower. It was negative. This was an effort to get the economy to grow. The aim was to stimulate investment and consumption. Now that interest rates have gone up so much in such a short time, things are plummeting back to earth. All at the same time. After the liquidity crisis at Silicon Valley Bank in the USA, Credit Suisse began experiencing the same problem as customers withdrew their deposits from the bank. Billions of dollars were withdrawn. This caused panic and even more money was withdrawn. Eventually, the bank was sold to UBS for a song. The stock price of Credit Suisse has fallen by more than 90% from its peak. Ouch. There is real concern now that Deutsche Bank could be next. For an idea of what's on Mr. Market's mind, look at the bank's credit default swaps. This is basically insurance against the bank defaulting on their bonds. Deutsche Bank has seen their credit default swap spike just like it did in the case of Credit Suisse. This is an ominous sign, and Mr. Market thinks there is a chance that another Credit Suisse incident is on the horizon. This time in Germany. Is this going to happen? I don't know, but I know that if it should happen, it would be an earth-shattering event. The real economy is going to be badly damaged as credit will freeze up. An already shaken Mr. Market is probably not going to recover quickly from such an event. What is AK going to do? Eat crusty bread with ink slowly for peace of mind. Of course. Link in the description below.